Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a playground. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw 2 swings like this. Excellent! Then I'll draw a little house with a triangle-shaped roof. And a hole for the door. Then I draw a ladder like this. I will finish the drawing with a slide. Finally, I draw the grass on the ground. And also, let's draw the sun and some clouds. I love it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, fuchsia, purple, pink, light brown, orange, finally, I colored the grass on the floor with green. And I add a little light blue in the background. Very good! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.